What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. In this video, I will be going over how to run solo ads with Udimi, guys. This website allows you to buy clicks from vendors that could send traffic to your online business in just a click of a button. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. Alright guys, so here is the back office of Udimi. You get a back office with everything that you sign up with and join with. You just have to learn how to navigate through the back office. But mainly this is simple, this is easy. So again, this allows you to buy clicks that could go directly to your website, your online business, to help you generate more sales. Now a lot of people, once they do this method, they think they automatically going to get sales. Guys, what you are getting here is you're building an email list, so you're gaining leads that could potentially buy if they don't buy from your offer on the first go. So you still have potential people, because the vendors, let's go over here to find sellers. All right, what they have is an email list that could be transparent to your business. See here, make money online, okay, BizOp, crypto. These are the type of people that are looking to make money from home. So you could use this specific person here to try your offer out with. Sales are not guaranteed, but what is guaranteed, guys, is you're growing your email list. So this is an asset. All right, this is an asset, but 9 times out of 10, guys, you are going to make sales when you use this method. I use this method all the time, but what you have to understand is when you run solo ads, guys, you have to be consistently running ads. You can't run 2 ads here and don't make any sales and stop running. This type of traffic source requires a lot of cash flow coming in. So when you make money with your business, put it back into your business by buying traffic. If you want to use this method, I highly recommend you use this method, because you can get 50 clicks for under 25 bucks. It's not that bad, guys. You could use this traffic source to get more sales, but the sales are not guaranteed because you don't know what type of traffic, what type of clicks you're going to get from the vendor. So it's an investment either way it go, because you're still, even if they don't buy, guys, you are still growing an email list that they will potentially buy from you. Once you do the email sequence, you just have to trust the process. Okay, that's it. So how do you use it? You find a seller that you want to go with. First, you have to find out your budget. So 40 cents per click is the least that you could buy clicks for, and I think it goes up to 95. It goes up to 95. What you have to do is figure out what your budget is once again, and just play around with it. I usually stay around the 40 cent, but when I really want some quality traffic, I will bump it up to like 80 and see what, who has the best, see, here's a 50% sales rate that users get once they use his traffic. So I will use him. Now, once again, this is just an example. You can pick your own budget. You can pick your own vendors. But if you join my team, I share with you exactly who I use that's been helping me make sales through the times that I've been with $25.1Up. So if you're watching this video and you're a part of $25.1Up or any online business, you could use this method right here to help you make more sales. Sales are not guaranteed as the first time they visit your website. So don't think you're buying clicks and 300 people go to your website and they see your website, they create an account. It's still some work to do. You have to follow up. You have to do some email marketing. You just have to make that sale. But sometimes you will get those people who have the credit card ready out to go. Boom. I have plenty of times that happened, guys. I ran the traffic and I got sales through people already just ready to go ahead and buy, because the presentation video was so good. So you figure out who you want to go to. You can choose how many visitors you want. They only have a maximum of 400 visitors, $259. Once again, it's just for an example, but what you would do is if you wanted to lower it, you can go down to 100. So 67, it'll be $67 for 100 visitors. Now, what I like to really do is go ahead and click that only top tier. So once you click that only top tier, let me see, I think so once you click that only top tier, you see an extra $10 has been added, because the only top tier is the people who, the people that you're most likely going to get a sale from. So make sure you click only top tier. It's an extra $10. But if you want to try the traffic out without it, you could use the regular traffic. But another thing I highly recommend before buying traffic is you come down to the reviews and see what people are saying. I usually look for 5 got sales posts. So that's 1, 2, and I look at the date. So this is current. Got sales is 2. Got sales is 3. Got sales 4. So on the first page of me looking through the reviews, I see 4 people say they got sales, and this is recent. So I would use this vendor just to try the traffic out. See, look at this. 206 quality clicks, 50 subscribes, 3 sales, 2 upfront, 3 sales, 2 upsells. I'm blown away with this traffic. You the best. Best believe I have my order underway already. So I'm seeing some good results with this particular vendor. So what I would do is add my done for you website. So my business is $25.1Up. I would come over here to my members area. I would go to my funnel pages, and I would grab my capture page that I want to use. And you can either use this one, or this one, guys. And I highly recommend that you use the one at the bottom because it has testimonials. Let me show you. It has testimonials of other people making money, and you can use that as leverage. And once they click show me the presentation, it will be another video on the other side explaining to them exactly how it works. And you get all of these funnels for free once you come in, at least at the gold level. So what I would do is grab my link. So what I would do is grab this link right here. I would copy it, come back to my order, put my link in right here. As you see, I have multiple links that I've been using. And you could put the link right here and you'll add to cart. Boom. Now once you add it to the cart, you just click the cart. It's just like ordering anything else online. You go from there. You can use PayPal, or you could use a debit card. And you also can use a discount if you have a discount. Once you sign up, the link below will get a free $5 discount off your first purchase. So make sure that you get your free $5 by the end of this video, so you could use it towards your first order of traffic. So you'll just go ahead and make that purchase, and you'll have those leads, or you'll have that order underway. And as you can see, I have a few orders that I've been running, and been getting some good results with it. Once you make the order, see, your order will be sent, and then they have to accept your order. Once they accept it, they will start the delivery, and you'll be able to see where the visitors are coming from. Look at this. You can see where they're coming from. This is the top tier. United States, Canada, London, all of the places that really speak English and that has money, has a good currency in this world. That has a good currency. They are the top tier. So as you see, I'm getting some really good traffic from the United States with this particular person that I bought traffic from, tested out, and he gave me 67 clicks when I ordered 50. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Your order will be sent. They have to accept it. Then it will be delivered. Then the delivery will start, and then boom, you get delivered, and you have to rate the seller, let them know if you got sales or not. And let me show you guys here. This was me right here. I rated him. I got 20 opt-ins, 5 accounts created, and 1 sale. Thank you. I said, thanks, we'll be back. Fast delivery also. And I click you right here. You put if you got sales or not, and you give a rating. You can also add a video, and you can just go ahead and rate that seller. So that's basically it, guys. You're getting quality clicks to your business that could help you make more sales with your online business. I'm a part of $25 1Up. It's give $25 1Up give you instant commissions every single day once you generate a sale, guys, from $25 to $1,000 per referral. If you're interested in that type of work from home opportunity, the link will be below, and the link to this traffic source also will be below. So if you like this content, please subscribe and also click that bell. Other than that, I'm out.